Welcome to Business. A Russian gas tanker completed a historic voyage this week through the Northern Sea route. The heavy tonnage ship, the Baltica, escorted by two of the world's most powerful nuclear icebreakers, sailed from Murmansk in the northwest to Pevek in the northeast. From there it will travel onwards to Asia. Medina Kochinova is in the port of Pevek to find out what all the excitement is about.
Russia is keen to open up the Northern Sea route from Europe to Asia. The passage could cut 10,000 kilometers or more compared to journeys that go via the Suez Canal and the Indian Ocean. Russia's biggest private gas producer, Novatek, is acting as a pathfinder. It wants to open up a direct route to export its liquefied natural gas to Asia. The arrival of the tanker Baltica with 70,000 tons of gas condensate aboard in the eastern Russian port of Pevek signified a new milestone in that ambition. The most difficult part of the route between Russia's city of Murmansk and China ends here in the port of Pevek. The cargo ship, supported by nuclear icebreakers, completed its journey in 11 days, which was even quicker than expected. Novatek says the shipment through the Suez Canal cost up to $3.5 million for one cargo. Going via the northern route knocks about $500,000 off that figure, not to mention the time saved and the fact there are no pirates along the way.
We are very pleased with the result of the journey. I think we'll try to ship several cargoes, maybe up to 6 next year, and we'll try to make this route usable for our LNG projects. Now it is only working in summer when the ice is thin, but we hope to make it navigable year-round.
The effort to make the route commercial is being undertaken with the help of Russia's nuclear company Atomflot, that provides the nuclear icebreakers, and Sovcomflot, which leases the tankers and offers other maritime support.
For us, it is very new to work in tandem with tankers. This journey showed what's possible. The aim is, of course, to make the route commercial, and it will take a bit of time to get used to working together.
Novatek's primary motivation for opening the route are the gas fields in the Yamal Peninsula. Novatek is the biggest investor in the project. The liquefied natural gas plant is scheduled to start operating in 2015. It will have a capacity of around 15 million tons annually. And just to compare, the only LNG facility in Russia, Sakhalin-2, produces 9.6 million tons. The company hopes by the time Yamal is up and running, so will the northern route. Although the Northeast Passage considerably shortens the journey to Asian markets, the route is difficult to navigate due to climatic conditions, which make the help of expensive icebreakers necessary. The successful passage of this cargo ship raises the prospect that many more will follow. Medina Kochinova, RT, in Port Pevek by the Arctic Ocean.